This is the dog brick, a dog puzzle in level 2. I'm Ottosson and I will show you how it works. Remove all the white bones and then you lift up the lids filled with treats, and you also slide the brick side to fill with treats under the brick, and you fill all 20 compartments with treats or food. And then you also put back all the white bones again. So the dog has to remove the white bones until they can slide the brick to find the treats under, and also lift up the lids to find the treats. And you can also tie a string in the white bones to make it easier for the dog to lift it up. Take a knife and remove and change the direction to make it a little more challenging for the dog. So it will be different directions of all the lids. You can also have the lids on and off. You can also remove all the sliding bricks to make it easier to clean the puzzle. Have fun! Bra, duktig kille. Bra, duktig kille.